So now let's see what are the composite function blocks. So a composite function block is same as a basic function block, is a component that contains some code in it, but the code is not represented in the form of algorithms or execution control chart. Its functionality is defined as a network of other function block instances. And it doesn't have any internal variables. So all the variables have to be encapsulated in basic function blocks. And then with this construct, we can build hierarchical complex systems where components inside composite function block can be other composite function blocks, and this can create unlimited hierarchical structure, very complex structure if needed. So these components can be organized in whatever complex way. So let us see an example, and this example will be of actually doing exactly the same thing as we have seen in the basic function block chapter. So this function block will be again computing output variable as a x square minus y square. So where x and y are its input variables, so it will have exactly the same interface as a basic function block, but internally it is defined as a network of three function blocks, three standard blocks, one of which is doing addition, another subtraction, and the third one multiplication. So how does it work? When the rec input event arrives here at the input of event. So in the composite function block, we don't have any explicit execution control, no execution control chart. But at the same time, if we needed to organize other function blocks in some given sequence, we could create a basic function block that will have a state machine in it, and this state machine will be emitting events so that the function blocks inside the composite block could be arranged in a given order, in a required order of execution. So we see that inside function blocks, there are function blocks inside the composite function block, there are function block instances which connected with event and data connections. So what are the rules for event connections? If we want to split an event, it's allowed to draw it like that. So one event arrow can go from one event output of function block to event inputs of several blocks, but it means actually that the connection is implemented as if there was a standard event split function block where EO1 and EO2 are the outputs. So on arrival of EI input event, it will first emit EO1 and then EO2. So it is actually serializing it in time. An event merge, when we want to connect event connectors to one event input but originated from different function blocks, it's equivalent to as if we used emerge function block. And this emerge function block has two event inputs and just one event output. So as for the data connection, it's incorrect to try to connect two data lines, two data connectors to one data input of a function block, because in such a case the semantics of that connection is not defined. but it's allowed to split data and connect one data output to several data inputs of several function blocks.